Ndumiriri-ini yao kuri nyumba cia mohoro, ikundi cia gutetera muingi rungu rwa uchumi ciugite thirikari ni ikombete gukira njano. Ndeto iria igite bururi hatikaini kuonona iria irakombwo itironeka kuria irarorio na nyingi ikarorio rihi-ini wa mathiri. Gikundi giki kiugite ni mathogora wa muturire na maguta ni uthiite thi, no indi makauga thogora wa indo ingi nduri urathie thi, undu uria mangenda thirikari imureke keri.
It is undeniable that a lot needs to be done because prices for many other basic commodities in Kenya have remained sticky upward. Thus the cost of living remains high.
Maugite mbeca cia muingi itirahuthika na njira iria yagirire, makiuga thirikari ni yeranire hatire ndururu Kenya ikahuthika gutwara borithi Haiti kuiga ugitiri, indi uguo tiguo kuri.
Deployment of the Kenya Police men to Haiti. National Treasury reports indicate that Kenya has spent Kenya shillings 2.1 billion taxpayers' money on the Haiti peace mission, despite promises that public funds would not be used.
Riu gikundi giki kirenda mundu wothe wakuruhanire no heani wa kandarathi ciothe cia andani afutwo wira. Thirikari ithurimire ingi mubango wa urigitani wa SHIF na itaririe kana kuri wiguithanio wothe wekiranirwo hindi ya guthondeka mutaratara uyu wa SHA gatagati ga kandarathi ingi.
We call for the stepping aside of all senior state and public officials who are involved in the contracting and defending of the Adani deals immediately.
Gikundi giki ni kirenda wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi yanirire macira mothe maria mateyaneirio kuma mwaka wa 2022 maria makuruhanite na kuhatikwo kwa utonga wa bururi.
We require that the Director of Public Prosecution publishes all cases touching on economic crimes that have been withdrawn since 2022, their value and the reasons for their withdrawal with immediate effect.
Ni morete bunge ya kibururi ndikahitukagie mendekithia magukomba mbeca ingi, no indi matigirire ni moka na njira cia guteithiriria thirikari nyihanyihia mahuthiro. Riu thirikari ni ikirio ritanira kunyihanyihia thogora wa muturire na ho guthigatithia waragania mirutire-ini yayo ya wira. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Nduta wa Buthia.